Today I'm going to teach you how to make an edit. So I've been making edits for over 9 months now, and I've been pretty good at them. And now I'm going to teach you how to make a good edit on Pixlr. And I just got done making the thumbnail for this video. So first of all, you never have it at just these. You have it at this. Make sure you're watching. And I'm not going to fast forward this because I know how people hate when they fast forward it. And so you just keep it like that. And you always put it on transparent when you're making MSP edit. Then you click OK, and then you might not see this part, but you just open image as layer. And yeah, that's the thumbnail I just made. And let's just say that you're making it like this. So I put the person first. You can do whatever first. You can put the background first, but you'll have to just like this. Okay. And you obviously ain't going to use the feet. Wait! I forgot to show you. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I forgot to show you how to take this away. The background. So you go on the wand tool. So basically, okay, let me explain it again. You go on the wand tool over here, wand tool. And then you click on this right here, and then you click on the backspace, and then it'll go off. And then if you really want to get rid of all those little pink right there, you just go really down like this, and then you'll see it better. But I'm not going to do that today because this is just a fast edit, because I just want to show you guys. And now you go to layer styles, and then you can click all these stuff that makes the character different. This is how I do all my edits, and don't put a lot of this. I don't really do bevel a lot, but I just make it look more realistic. Okay, and I go to the dodge tool right here, and I put it at 200 and 302 most of the time. It's like whatever I can get at. Sorry for my computer heat. It's just doesn't a lot. Okay, and then I just put a random background. Let's just do this because I don't know. But and then you go to edit, and then you go to free transform. Then you make it as big as you want. You can even do it like that, or you don't want to do it like that. Like, just make it this big if you want. Then you can go to filter, and then you can go to, I don't know how to say this word, but it's bigging it or something. I just keep it like this. And then I take layer 2, and then I drag it right by this one. And then it should go like this. But this is the thing I forgot to show you. I just do it at 200 and make sure not to touch your character. And you do this. And you have to touch this wall. Sometimes you're going to touch your character. That's okay, you can fix it. And then you just take away the stuff right here. And when people know it's yours and they won't say when you post it, just like, ew, that's fake. You know? It happened to me a few days ago. So I don't really play MSP anymore. I'm just making an edit. So, in a few days, well, tomorrow, when I get to my grandmother's house and then get, like, on the tablet, and then I'm going to change my name to Miss K2233 only. And then you go to layers, then you do drop shadow, enter shadow, bevel. If you want it to look like this, right here. And you can just, like, mess around with it. You can make whatever you want, and you can just